Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can download the Visual Studio Code. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to write the Visual Studio Code here. You can write that, as you can see, Visual Studio Code. And then simply after that, we have to write the download here. So I'm going to write the Visual Studio Code download simply. So as you can see now, simply we have to press the enter. And after pressing the enter, as you can see now, the download Visual Studio Code, Mac, Linux, Windows. If you want to download this, simply we have to open this link here. And after opening this link, as you can see, they have provided a system. Now we have to choose that which operating system we are using. For example, I have the Windows 11, so I will choose this one here. So we have to click on this. As you can see now, these different types of options are provided here, and the downloading process is also started. This is the 100 MBs file, and it will take 1 to 2 minutes in downloading, and after that it will be downloaded, and then we can use it, and these languages and everything is supported here. So as you can see, in this way you can download the Visual Studio Code on your PC. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.